This is my fusion chicken katsu curry. Let's do this. So first we're gonna start off by cutting the onions. So we're gonna cut the stems off. And then let's peel the skin real quick. Throw everything away, keep your area clean. Now cut the onion in half. Now let's slice the onion very thinly. I need goggles right now. Now let's cut the tomato. Cut the stem off. Have a little juicy. Okay, no more eating. Sorry, that really hit the spot. Next. Right there. That flat. Now let's put some olive oil in the pot. Turn the heat on. And we'll wait till it gets hot. Let's cook the veggies. Salt and pepper. Some pepper. And let's stir. While the veggies are cooking, let's prep our chicken. Panko. My onions are turning translucent, so now let's add the water. Wow. It was sizzling, and then once you added the water, it stopped. Silence. And let's let it boil. I just like to use aluminum foil to just, I don't know, keep it clean. Fold the aluminum foil. And then this part like makes me want to sing. Let's season the chicken. Both sides are fully coated. Next, finally, the fun and a bit messy part. So the process is you go from flour to egg, then panko. So let's take the first chicken and just lightly dip it in the flour. Make sure both sides are fully coated. Again, make sure both sides Yeah. Once you add the curry cubes, it will become a lot thicker. Starting to smell like curry. A delicious curry, actually. Pour some vegetable oil in the frying pan. Right about there. Let's turn the heat on. Perfect. Once it starts bubbling like this, you gotta stir it to make sure there's no clumps. Because who wants clumpy curry? Nobody. Yeah, as you can see, it's starting to thicken. Yep. It's gonna be so bussin'. This is my secret technique that my grandma taught me. So you put wooden chopsticks in the oil, but it has to be wooden or it wouldn't work. So you put the wooden chopsticks, and if there's bubbles around the chopstick, that means it's ready. So it's not quite ready yet. Check one more time. Ooh, you see those little bubbles? And now let's fry it. Oh, ready, set. Oh yeah. Wait till it's like a nice golden brown and it looks so crispy and crunchy. Oh, it's so ready to eat it. Like, let's take the chicken out. Oh yeah, that is nice and crisp and crunchy and golden brown. And, shred, oh my god, shred some cheese for the garnish. And we're also gonna cut some parsley for green. Because every food needs a pop of color. If it doesn't, it's not really like a restaurant quality dish. Now let's chop some parsley. Do y'all like parsley? Because like I'm not a really big fan of parsley, but like if it's like just for garnish, I'll eat it. But like I don't really like the smell of parsley or the taste of parsley. Let's plate. Starting off with the rice. This is short grain Japanese rice. Then like the best part, the curry. Yes. Be right back. I gotta do the chef's technique. Chef's technique. Cheese. Are you guys ready for the most crunchiest chicken katsu ever? Here we go. Oh yeah. This piece is too small, so I'm gonna eat it. So good. Oh my god, you can see the juice coming out of it. That's a tender chicken. And finally, let's plate it. Right on top of the cheese, that nice juicy tender chicken. I'm so ready to eat it all together. Final touch, the parsley. Boom! This is the proper way to eat it. So delicious. It's scrumptious, bussin', delicious, everything good.